I did a lot of work in the garden today and I had garlic scapes. So I cut them off and then I came back in the house and I thought, what's a different recipe I can make that I haven't tried already with the garlic scapes? So I went online, kind of searching, and I found this Korean recipe. Let me read you the ingredients. So this is from the website Korean Bapsang. And I am not even going to try to pronounce the Korean name, but it's also known as stir-fried garlic scapes. For your ingredients, you need 10 ounces garlic scapes. It's optional, but you can add 1/2 cup shelled walnuts broken into quarters, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and then there's a sauce that you have to make, and that's 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 tablespoon water, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon ulagazang, again, probably pronounced that wrong, or corn syrup or more sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon sesame seeds. So these serpentine things are garlic scape, and from the bulb on, it can be just a little stringy, so I don't usually use that part. You can if you want to. But now we're just going to cut it kind of individual pieces here about the same. Easy peasy. So I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, it's about maybe, they said 2 inches, and this is about 1.5 inches. So now we're ready for the next step. If you're going to use walnuts, you would want to roast them here for 2 or 3 minutes over high heat. But the family really doesn't like nuts. So we're going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay, let it heat up a minute. We want this on about medium heat. And we're going to saute the garlic scapes for about 2 to 3 minutes. There's a little crackle on. Now it's time to make the sauce. We're going to do 2 tablespoons soy sauce. You can do reduced salt if you want to. And we want 1 tablespoon rice wine. 1 tablespoon water. And our last ingredient is 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix those up. Now we're going to pour our sauce in. This is a wok burner, and I don't know if it knows what medium heat is. It always gets too hot. Now we want to cook this until the scapes are tender and the sauce is almost gone. Okay, can you see? Sauce is really just about gone. And they're tender. I'm probably murdering this, but now you can add a tablespoon of olagodang, or I don't have that, so I'm doing, it says you can do a tablespoon of cornstarch. And if you don't have cornstarch, you can just use sugar. A little more in there. There we go. And then we need 1 more teaspoon of sesame oil. And 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Just mix that all up. Now I am sure this would be delicious with those walnuts on it too, but like I said, I like it, but the family won't. Isn't that looking good? Let's do a little taste test. It'll still be hot. Mmm. A little crunchy. A little sweet. Mmm. Delicious flavor. Try some more here. Mmm. My sauce almost caramelizes around it. While this recipe you can make really quick, I think I made an error. You know, my first taste great, but it was really too sweet. I don't think I had a full 10 ounces of garlic scapes. If I made this again, I would cut down on the corn syrup. Although if I had walnut pieces in there, they would have been wonderful. They would have been like candied. But it's a little bit of an unusual side dish. We had it with a pork roast and it did go well with pork. Now, some of my garlic scapes were a bit fibrous, you know, chewy. And that's my fault. I probably should have actually harvested them sooner. But I love trying new dishes. If anybody has had this at a Korean restaurant, or even better, your Korean mom cooked it for you, please let me know what should it be tasting like. Because mine came out too sweet and it almost candied. And I don't think it was supposed to be that way. Anyway, love to hear what you think. This is Potpourri saying please subscribe and share the knowledge.